Even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. It is said by Roosevelt. So please do not give up on your dreams. You may not have enough money. You may not be perceived to be a good student. You may find speaking a great challenge. You may be physically incapable of moving forward. You may not have any hope to live longer in this world because of your physical and mental illness. But please, do not give up on your dreams. Look at Stephen Hawking. Today Stephen Hawking is considered as a great cosmologist, but his school life was far from ideal. He was initially a student with below average mark in his class. When he was 21 years old, while studying cosmology at the University of Cambridge, he was diagnosed with motor neuron disease. It was perceived that if anyone is affected with this disease, then all their organs of the body gradually stop working, and in the end, the death is imminent. So doctors said Hawking would probably not live for more than 2 years. In addition, Hawking had a complete hold on his willpower, and he said that I'll live for 50 years, not 2, even not 20 years. Today the world knows that Hawking proved and showed the world what he said. Although he didn't have sufficient physical strength, not have the ability to move from one place to the next, even he could not have the ability to speak, he retained a burning desire to not only live but to realize his dream with a great hope. Despite having physical constraints and difficulties, he became a leading light in terms of quantum mechanics and space-time singularities, and made a new history just because of his willpower, hard work, dedication, and consistency. So please do not give up on your dream.
It's a long shot. No college training, labeled educable, mentally retarded. But I kept running toward my dream. You want a thing bad enough to go out and fight for it, to work day and night for it, to give up your time, your peace, and your sleep for it. If all that you dream and scheme is about it, and life seems useless and worthless without it, and if you gladly sweat for it and fret for it and plan for it, and lose all your terror of the opposition for it, and if you simply go after that thing that you want with all of your capacity, strength and sagacity, faith, hope and confidence, and stern pertinacity, if neither cold poverty, famish or gulf, sickness or pain or body and brain can keep you away from the thing that you want, if dogged and grim, you besiege and beset it, with the help of God you'll get it.
Never give up on your dream because of your challenges, difficulties, and your failures. Remember, your every effort, hard work, dedication, and willpower is valued as an infinite energy, which aids to conquer your dream in this universe. Even if you attempt to obtain any knowledge of your dream through Google, perhaps Google will guide you. However, Google is a teeny part of our universal knowledge fields that literally we can experience it with our sense of physical boundary. So imagine, if you yearn for any help from the God nature of this extended universe, how you will be assisted. So never lock to yourself to craft a great dream before you die. A true dream even cannot let you die until an accomplishment of its destined mission. Because universe always cherishes your dream to be fulfilled.
And standing around your bed, the ghost of the ideas, the dreams, the abilities, the talents given to you by life, and that you, for whatever reason, you never acted on those ideas, you never pursued that dream, you never used those talents, we never saw your leadership, you never used your voice, you never wrote that book, and there they are standing around your bed looking at you with large angry eyes saying, we came to you And only you could have given us life. And now we must die with you forever.